Welcome back. So right now total amount is 388, and if I apply coupon, so this amount after coupon is successfully applied, total after discount is 349.2. So our goal here is, let me refresh this. Right. So at this point, total after discount is 388 when coupon is not applied. So after we apply coupon, this particular amount is being reduced, right? So we have to first grab this text before you apply coupon and grab that text again after you apply the coupon, and then put assertion that this should be less than previous. Let's do that very quick, and this is an interesting one. See, discount amount is a class, so when you refresh it should be same even before discount is applied. So you can write CSS with a dot and class name. Right, so one element is matching, which is 388. So let me take the CSS. So where did you apply that coupon? Yeah, send keys you are doing here. So before you apply, firstly let's take that text of that, and we can say this as original amount. Okay, and after you apply coupon and click, and we will wait until coupon is applied. Now again I will try to use the same step, discounted amount. So on the same spot, when I try to grab again, the text whatever I get now should be less, right? That's what coupon ultimately helps us. So we should put assertion. I would simply say assert discount amount whatever you have is should be always less than original amount. Okay, so this condition should return true. If it returns true, assert of true is true and your test case will pass. So you are clearly putting validation that this amount should be less. That's obvious because you applied a coupon. It's simple. It's not any science out of it. But the logic here is text is nothing but string. When you do dot text, it will return string. And here also it returns string. How can you validate and say whether one string is less than another string? It's not possible, right? You can use this only on numbers, not on strings. This less or greater than condition will be applied only on numbers. So you need to convert your string to integer or float if it's decimal point, and then you need to compare. Right now these are plain strings. You have to convert this into int of discount amount. If you think that the amount whatever you have is an integer, then you have to wrap up like this with integer data type. Okay, and after you apply again, if you think you will get it integer, then fine. But problem here is discounted value is not integer, it have decimals. Okay, so if you try to convert to integer, it will convert to nearest number, which is 349. We don't want that, we want accurate one. In that case you need to convert that into float. So you can simply convert that into float by passing here float. That's it. So your discounted amount now will be converted to float, and your original amount, let it be integer only, because let's say that we are not selling anything for decimal values. Okay, perfect. And now if it matches exactly as per numbers which we need. Don't worry, in the next lecture again I will do one more example of how to convert strings to integer, and I think it's straightforward. You just need to know that from string to integer can be converted if you wrap that with int and If you think it's decimal, wrap it in float. That's it. Good. And you don't have any error. That means this validation is successfully done, and you have done test case number 2 also. Verify if price decreases on discount. If you want to know how these values are being printed, just print the statements and see how the amounts are being extracted. Alright, we'll do another scenario in our next lecture. Thank you.